Hi guys, in our last forging video we made a small test furnace as a proof of concept before we made a bigger version. It worked well, so we've decided to up the scale and make one from a beer barrel that we found. This is a design for the new forge. We plan to cut the keg about 2/3 of the way up to form a base section and a lid. In the small scale experiment we used commercial refractory cement as an insulating material around the walls of the forge. This crumbled to pieces due to the extreme heat and so did not fulfill our reusability requirements. We are going to use concrete to make a thick insulating wall to protect the aluminium keg from the extreme heat and prevent it from melting. We are going to set a steel pipe known as the tuyere into the wall of the forge. Offset from centre, this should create a flame vortex within the firepot, increasing the time the fire will spend inside the hearth, raising the temperature.
We used a bucket to create a cavity inside the barrel. We then inserted the air pipe and filled the outside with concrete. The procedure was repeated for the lid, using a plant pot to create the cavity. We then left them both to set. After 3 days, we checked that the two sections sat correctly and that there were no gaps. We removed the bucket from the cavity and were pleased with how the concrete had set. We gave the base a coat of black gloss paint and we did the same to the lid for a cool looking professional finish.
Right up to them. Yeah, there's nothing leaking out of it, it's all good. They can smell the fruit. Yeah. Out of the energy drink cans. Yeah. Yeah, no. Solid. Oh, that's so weird when I push it down. Yeah, like squashes.
The molten aluminium pooled in the bottom of the forge. You can see it being blown by the air. Test over. The aluminium cooled and set inside the air pipe. We had to remove the pipe and cut the end off. You can see the aluminium that has blocked the tube. For our next test, we will need a better crucible.